art-centered learning program is twofold. The idea is that the arts would enhance learning in all areas. It is also meant to practice and develop skills in the area of arts. The arts is also meant to inspire, and so in an art-centered learning program, we endeavor to inspire students through the arts.
Educational philosopher and advocate for the arts, Maxine Green, tells us aesthetic education is an intentional undertaking designed to nurture appreciative, reflective, cultural, participatory engagements with the arts by enabling our learners to notice what there is to be noticed and to lend works of art their lives in such a way that they can achieve them as meaningful.
Hello, we are an inclusive building at Willow Park School. It's a place where everyone belongs, no matter what your background, what your passions are. If your passion is the art, that is the lens that we work through. We have a whole team of people to support you in our building, whether it is your social emotional growth, your academic growth. We have people to work directly with you to help you succeed.
For my education, it's allowed me to express myself in my artistic side in every core subject. For example, in math, we draw. In science, we sculpt. In humanities / LA and social studies, we are allowed to write, color, draw, do anything while still learning core subjects that will help us any form of work that you decide to do in the future. For me personally, it's allowed me to express myself creatively while still becoming a better person and a better learner.
So when I think of a learning environment, a school that is a place of meaning and belonging, I automatically think that it must be a place that is student-centered. It's a place when students and where students walk into an environment, a learning environment, and they feel welcome, they feel a sense of belonging. I feel that every child should have someone in the building that they can count on, that they can go to.
Our teachers are very intentional about creating connections with students and relationships with students first,
because that's another way in which we create that sense of belonging.
The art year is really very good. And I really like the fact that Willow Park trains you to do multiple variations of every single piece of art, as well as it also teaches you science, math. When it comes to the art concepts especially, I really like the fact that the teachers will not just grade you on the fact that you were good before you got to the school, on how you can learn better. Just love it. It just gets me pumping, you know? And plus, like all the excitement, and just all the moves you can make in the heat of the moment.
Our students create a sense of belonging in our classroom. They bring the best of themselves, they work together, they accept everyone. It is their room. Teachers love working at Willow Park. It is a fantastic and energized place to work.
The art projects are really cool, and it gives you the freedom to be you. You should come here because you might have some hard times, but the school, the staffs are amazing, and the art-based learning is really amazing and will help you get through it.
Teachers at Willow Park are curious, they're risk takers, and they are artists themselves.
Art-centered learning at Willow Park focuses on learning in and through the arts. Students take courses in art, drama, dance, music, and media arts to learn the foundations of these disciplines. Our distinguishing feature is the focus in core curriculum on learning and teaching using the arts as a means of understanding the world.
Willow Park School is a unique community. We focus on wellness and inclusion, and we create a safe environment through the arts.
We give opportunities for the kids, for our students to work with artists as another way to see artists as a living cultural element of the work
that we do within the world, that art works alongside or moves alongside any culture.
It's like having a superpower, right? And having other ways of using that superpower. It just shows that you're able to develop that technique in other ways.